Foshan Winton Stainless Company Limited is a stainless steel manufacturer and stockiest located in one of the world's biggest stainless steel industrial zones, Foshan City, China, for stainless steel products from coils, sheets, and profiles. Thanks to our self-owned plants including slitting and cut-to-length, mirror polish, hairline and number 4 processing, PVD and anti-fingerprint coating, fabrication, and big inventory of 10,000 tons of items ready to ship. Winton always controls the quality, cost, and lead time all the best. Among our big stock, most are colored sheets ready to ship from 0.28 mm to 3.0 mm, including 2B, number 4, number 8 mirror silver, mirror gold, mirror rose gold, mirror champagne gold, chemical mirror black, PVD mirror black, mirror bronze, hairline gold, hairline rose gold, hairline champagne gold, chemical hairline black, PVD hairline black, hairline bronze, hairline rose red, hairline antique bronze, copper, with glossy and matte anti-fingerprint optional. Meanwhile, most of our employees have been more than 10 years in stainless steel industry with ISO 9001 quality control system and advanced equipment including 1 slitting and cut-to-length machine, 2 hairline and number 4 process machines, 4 mirror polish machines, 7 PVD coating machines. Winton always guarantees fast delivery and good quality at reasonable cost. And Winton's products are exported to Southeast Asia, South Asia, East Asia, Middle East, Europe, and America with worry-free after-service and good reputation.